To resize columns in the standard or custom reports in QuickBooks Online after running them, place your mouse pointer at the far right end of the column heading of the report column to resize until your mouse pointer turns into an icon that looks like a double vertical line with arrows pointing left and right when in the correct position. At that point, then click and drag either left or right to narrow or widen the column to the left. Currently, the best way to reset a report's column widths after changing them is to manually change them back. Sometimes, you can click the Refresh Report link above the report's header to reset the columns, but this also sometimes results in the report's columns and rows taking on a spreadsheet-like appearance, especially in summary reports. It is possible to refresh the whole web page using your browser's refresh button to reset the report's columns, but that also discards any unsaved changes you may have made. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.